friends, welcome to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Matthew. Let's get into this week's challenges. Alright, so this week's quote: you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So remember, it's really important who you're hanging out with. So pick your friends wisely. Goals for the week: mow the lawn. It's actually a weed whacker, not a lawnmower. I also need to replace the shower head in my spare bathroom. And I've been meaning to make a video about the area that I live in. And part of that video, I wanted some drone footage of Mount Bachelor with some of the snow on it. So I'm gonna drive up to the mountain and try to get some good shots while the snow is still there. All right, let's get into it. When my roommate moved out, I realized I was going through the bathroom, realized that there's some things I need to do to the house. One of them is replace this shower head. All right, first let's get this old one off of here. This old gross one. All right, old one off. Alright, now we gotta... Alright, now that we got the old one off, we have to put new Teflon tape on this bad boy. So you're gonna wanna wrap it so it looks just like that. Then we just screwed this bad boy on. Next piece is this hose. Then we attach the hose to this piece. And then the shower head to that. And there we go. I think that was a success. We are heading up to Mount Bachelor. I've been wanting to take some drone footage of the mountain all winter. Every time I wanted to go up, there was either a storm or it wasn't sunny, it was cloudy, it was bad. Excuses, excuses, excuses. So anyways, today is the day. I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna get some of this footage. Alright, I got the drone footage. I think today was a success.